severe thunderstorm warning for western Ellis County in north central Texas, central Hill County in north central Texas, eastern Johnson County in north central Texas, until 4 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Grandview to 3 miles northeast of Whitney to 9 miles southwest of Whitney, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Grandview around 3 p.m., Alvarado around 3:05 p.m., Itasca around 3:10 p.m., Venus around 3:20 p.m., Maple around 3:30 p.m., Midlothian and Hillsborough around 3:35 p.m. This will impact the following interstates: Interstate 35 between mile markers 365 and 369, Interstate 35 west between mile markers 1 and 40, Interstate 35 east between mile markers 1 and 6. Remember, severe thunderstorms occasionally produce tornadoes with little advance warning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Tuesday evening for eastern Texas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ellis County in north central Texas, north central Ellis County in north central Texas, until 3:30.